In today's video, I am going to teach you how to round times in Excel, nearest up or down day, hour, minute, or second. We are going to work directly in Excel using a few simple formulas, and then we will tidy up the display so it shows time in a clean format. As you follow along, keep an eye on the cells we are selecting, because the whole process depends on placing each formula into the correct spot. First, click cell B2 and type =round A2 015 into the cell. After you enter it, press Enter to confirm the formula. This formula rounds the time in A2 to the nearest 15 minutes using round. The 015 part tells Excel the interval you want to round to, so even if the minutes are not exactly on a quarter hour, Excel will adjust them to the nearest one. Next, move to cell C2. Click cell C2 and type =CALENE A2 030 into the cell, then press Enter. This one uses CALENE, which rounds the time in A2 up to the nearest 30-minute mark. In other words, if the time falls between two 30-minute boundaries, Excel will push it to the next boundary rather than pulling it down. Now we are going to add the opposite rounding approach. Click cell D2 and type =floor A2 1 o'clock into the cell, then press Enter. Floor rounds the time down to the nearest 1 hour based on the interval shown as 1 o'clock. This gives you three results side by side, so you can compare rounding to the nearest interval, rounding up, and rounding down. At this point, your sheet should have formulas in B2, C2, and D2. Now we need to apply these formulas to additional rows. Highlight range B2, D2 so all three formula cells are selected at the same time. Then double-click the green fill handle square. This fill handle is located at the bottom right corner of the highlighted selection. Double-clicking lets Excel automatically extend the formulas downward, matching the height of your data. While Excel fills in the rest of the rows, it is helpful to know what is happening behind the scenes. Each row will use the time value from the corresponding cell in column A, and each formula will keep the same rounding behavior. This means your rounding logic stays consistent across the whole dataset. Next, highlight your entire calculation matrix range from cell B2 to D4. This selection step ensures that when you change the formatting, you are applying it to every calculated result you just created. If your data extends beyond row 4 in your own sheet, you may adjust the range accordingly, but for following these exact steps, keep it to B2 through D4. Now go to the Home tab on the top ribbon menu bar. Click it once so the formatting options appear. From there, you will locate the number group, which controls how numeric values are displayed. Within the number group, click the drop-down menu arrow. Select the formatting options list and choose time. When you pick time, Excel will hide the decimals and present the results as proper time values. This is important because Excel stores times as fractions of a day, and without the right time format, you may see numbers that do not look like time at all. Take a moment to look at the cells again after you apply the time format. You should see your rounded minutes and hours represented in an easy-to-read time format. That confirmation helps you verify both the formulas and the display format are correct. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.